Hello. Uh, Good evening, everyone. So today I'm going to explain to you about the Malaysian quality control project, which is basically for the data recording voice project, which we've been doing for a while now. But this is basically a step later than the recording part. So once people they finish the recordings, they go over onto the system, and then the QC team, like we, are supposed to check those recordings and make sure that there's no problem and fix some minor issues. But before we start with that, I want to explain to you the platform and the system and everything how it works. So before you guys will go onto the system, first you need to download a VPN called ExpressVPN. I'll send you the subscription codes for that in a message. Right now, I'll just show you how to download. So you'll just go here, um, go to Windows, and click over here on Download App. So once you click on Download App, it will ask you to download the file. You just download it and install it as any other any other software which you do. Okay, I'll just close that now. I've already, downloaded it and it's active over here. So, but you'll see another option where you'll sign in and you will paste the subscription code, and then you will arrive on this screen. Just make sure that it's connected to Hong Kong 2. Normally, it will automatically connect to Hong Kong 2 because that is the most stable server. And then you just click on this button, let it connect. Okay, while it's connecting, we'll go here and okay, so this is the bz.datathang.com. So this is our website, is a platform where we're supposed to enter. So you'll click on this button on the right, and it'll open a new window. Over here, you're going to type your account name, so which is dtdatanomad@gmail.com, and your password, which I will send to you directly as well. All right, so once you're done with that, just make sure that your VPN is connected. You can see it's become green, so it's connected now, and you'll click on this button. So now I'll automatically go into the system. The system, don't need to worry too much about all this Chinese over here. We have to just make a few simple clicks. Um, we're supposed to do 33514 project right now, so we'll click over here. Okay, and over here it will open up a list of IDs. Okay, so all of these like G00231, G00238, 229, 218, 230, these are all different IDs, which basically means that these are different people who have all recorded 450 sentences. Okay, and over here they're saying like how many of them have been checked. So for example, 54 have been checked. All 450 have been checked. How many were not accepted? 111. So it's a 75%. So you can see there's a whole list of them over here. So we have a list which we're supposed to follow. So I'll send you the list as well. I'll divide the tasks among different people equally. So for example, the first one on our list is G10254. So just press Control F, 10254. Okay, so you can see that. Okay, let me just make sure that the number is correct. 10254. Yeah. So you can see that this number you cannot see over here on the list. So what does that mean? We have this button over here which will basically expand the list. So sometimes you might not be able to see the ID which you're searching for just because it's not visible. Okay, it's still not visible. Meanwhile, you can just click over here and press enter again. Okay, So you see, I pressed enter again, and it shows the ID. Because sometimes when you're just opening the list more, it will not change the result until you press enter on the control F. So how to open this search button? You press control plus F, and then just type in the ID number which you're searching for. Okay, so let's click over here on 450. It will open up our main task. Meanwhile, make sure that you also have Google Translator open here and select Malay, because there's a couple of other languages which are very similar to Malay as well. If you put it on detect language, there's a small chance it might, give you the wrong translation. I'll tell you later why we need the translations. So you can see over here, they like they're all colored green. So what does that mean? It means that they've already been checked. And the red ones and green one means like they've been accepted, and the red one means they're rejected. But they've been only been checked for the quality of the audio recording. Like, is there any noise in it? Is there any, background noise? Is the person, breathing into the phone? Sometimes you're recording and you can hear like some this kind of like breathing noise. So they've already checked this audio for that. So our job right now is basically yeah, one more thing is that you can see over here it's 450 sentences. Every sentence is this one box. So this one box is one sentence. So this in total is 450 sentences. All right. So we'll start with the first one. It'll automatically open. Okay, so once you click on any one of these, which like it's recommended you start from the first one and then move forward, of course. And one more thing is that if these are colored green, that means they've already gone through QC once, and we are doing like the second QC. Maybe they've been checked for some other stuff before, like noise or no noise, or if can hear clearly or not clearly. Our job is to make sure that what they're saying in the audio connects with the text or not. So I've already done these top part, so I'll just start from here. If I click on it, it will just open up a window, and I'll go into the window. Another way is if you want to open more than one, then you can use the control button. When you press the control button and click on a link, it will open in a new tab, and but you will stay in the old tab. So now you can see that the audio file is loading over here. We have a text file. Okay, I just paused it. So we have a text file over here and the audio file over here, and we need to make sure that this audio matches with the text. So let's see. I'll play it.
Adakah perjalanan menaiki kereta api ke Tunisia selesa? 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 Adakah perjalanan
Okay. I mean, he's speaking really fast, but can pick out that he has actually said the same thing. And you can see over here as well that the first letter should always be capitalized and the end should be a punctuation, full stop or question mark, depending on the sentence. So we'll just okay, we don't need to click on this green button because we did not change anything. So normally you can just close it. Let's click on this red one. Red one, normally we don't need to really do these ones. So I'll just open another one. I just want to show you what's happening in the red one. Okay. So
788,046.
yeah, so like there was some noise in the back, like a kid crying. So that's why they have ticked over here noise and made it fail. That was just to show you. We're basically going to this one and perform this task. Okay, so over here we can also see the first letter is capitalized, the punctuation. Okay,
Adakah server berdekatan dengan bank? Adakah Selvam berdekatan dengan bank? Adakah Selvam berdekatan dengan bank? Adakah Selvam berdekatan dengan
All right. So while listening to this audio, I felt like this word or here should have like a D sound, but he's make like it's written B, but there should be a D sound. So what I did was that I just copied it to Google quickly, and I saw that is Selvam close to the bank? So it makes sense that Selvam is a name, that's why it's capitalized. Adhika is the first word, so that is something means something like is. So is Selvam close to the bank? So over here, it makes perfect sense. So most probably it's a correct word. So and there's a it's capitalized question mark at the end. So we'll just close it and go back and open another one. Normally we keep our speed much faster. This is for just for the explanation. Okay, so over here you can see, just quickly change this to capital D.
26
Sorry.
bulan Mac 1920?
Okay, so for some things you can just do as soon as it's loading and add the full stop at the end. Now let's listen.
26 bulan Mac 1920? 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 26 bulan Mac 1920?
Okay, so again going really fast, but I think I can hear everything. Let's see. Okay, so let's click on the next one. Yeah. Okay, you can see Adaka Fateh Amin. So Fateh Amin is the name.
Adakah Fatah Amin sudah mempunyai kekasih? Adakah Fatah Amin sudah mempunyai kekasih? Adakah
Mempun.
Fatah Amin sudah mempunyai kekasih? Adakah 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 Fatah
Okay,
Amin
that sounds correct. I'm just spending more time over here right now, just for explanation. You can see capital, question mark, close. So let's just do one more. Okay, all I see is need just a question mark or full stop over here, and let's just listen to it.
pukul 22:10 44 saat? 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 Pukul 22:10 44 saat?
Okay, so this one you can see needs a full stop at the end. It, and we'll add the. All right. So yeah, guys. So that's pretty much it for the basic part. I will probably make another video with more details soon, so that you have a much more better and clear idea. Right now, this is basically to show you how to go into the app and how to start the basic work. So I wish you guys good luck with that, and see you next time. Goodbye, guys.